No, SuddenYah eat it with her.
Oh, you go right here. That's good.
Oh, so cute. Look at that. Halloween pizza.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. She's talking about something. Oh, what is that?
Oh, that's so cool.
What does it say? Like, what is that? I didn't even recognize it.
Oh, I was
It's a
like,
pumpkin.
what is that? It was a pumpkin.
So this was jack-o'-lantern pizza, Philly cheesesteak papadillas, and it's buffalo chicken. Good afternoon, fam. Today is Sunday, October the 24th, 2021. The rest of the crew are at the farm. They went to the pumpkin patch.
Okay, let's go.
Be patient. Enjoy the moments. See. Here.
It's a maze. You gotta complete the maze.
Make sure y'all find your way out. Stuck up in here, boy. Be like, oh man.
Ooh, you know you can come get your Christmas trees?
Yeah, I know about
Fine.
Hi, Shauma. Hi,
We're on a tractor. It's fun. Yeah.
I heard you on a tractor.
There go the pumpkins. She said we have to get pumpkins so we can carve them.
She's not doing anything now.
She picked this pumpkin, Mom. That's a cute pumpkin. We can put it on the front.
Let me see your pumpkin, SuddenYah. Oh, that's so cute. So pretty. Pretty pumpkin.
I'm sitting here enjoying the little fireplace that we put up. This is the beginning of the weekly vlog for this week. While they're deciding on their pumpkins, I'm in here just enjoying. I got the heat on in the living room because it was 70 degrees in the house. Even though during the day outside it gets warmer, it's like today I think the high is gonna be like 75.
You gonna make pumpkin pie or something with this pumpkin stuff?
No, I never made no pumpkin pie. I only make sweet potato pie. I don't like pumpkin pie.
I just told the story of Adam and Eve.
Everybody know that story.
Not everybody.
Peekaboo.
Some people are.
Okay, we got our new TV for the front room, this room here, the living room, installed today. As you've seen, the Best Buy Geek Squad was here. Yeah, it does all of this. It can come out, but I'm not gonna mess with that right now. It'll come all the way out, extend out, tilt, and do all that fancy stuff. As long as it don't fall off the wall, we good. Nice 4K quality. The camera is not doing it justice. Good morning, fam. Whew. It is freezing out here. Not freezing, but it's really, really cold. And my camera is crooked, so I'm gonna zip my hair up in this big old coat I got on. It is.
You see, it keeps dying.
Currently, what is it? 10:32 a.m. on Thursday, October 28th, 2021, and Deja and I are here at Ikea. Came to bring the girls. I got some twin beds from them. I had ordered them from Kia and they delivered them about a few weeks ago. But I found these other headboards that I like for them better. So, and then plus me and my husband didn't really want to bother putting them together. So he loaded them up. Now we got to unload them here because Deja needed to come here to get something for her room as well. So that's why I didn't bring the hubby, because of course we need manpower, but all three of us couldn't come because Kiki's at work, Asia's there, so we had to work SuddenYah and Asia. And I know I'm rambling, going on and on and talking too much, and you probably don't want to hear that, so okay, I'll move along. Deja, and it's so cold. Did I say that? It is so cold. Like, it's like, what's the temperature right now? It was in the 50s. But this wind is cutting because it just finished raining. It's been sprinkling and raining all morning. So I got this big old Eskimo coat on. They thought I was crazy for bringing this. I should just get a little jacket. No, you need a little more than a jacket right now. So let's see if we can get this done real quick. Oh, it's still sprinkling. Gotta cover up this head. Girl, please. I'm a true vlogger out here in these streets. We don't have to put it flat.
Oh, I gotta check the aisle.
All of our trees. Look at our babies, our new babies. All of our plants and trees. Oh, come to the door. So cute. Ask her what kind it is. Hi. What kind is it?
He's a shorty poo.
A shorty poo. Oh.
Oh, he smells the coat.
Will he get bigger?
Yeah, he's about. I got him in Orlando, right outside of Orlando. Oh, really?
We're good.
I can.
Pumpkins finally. They got these pumpkins from the pumpkin patch and they're just not doing it with them.
Okay, now y'all can use your hands. Yeah.
So nasty. Ew.
Put it in here.
Okay. Put them in our jar so we can like grow pumpkins.
Asia behind me right here. Asia watching them carving the pumpkin.
pumpkin stink. Oh yeah.
She watching them. She watching them carve the pumpkin.
Get it all out.
Asia like to be in the what's going on.
It's a smile for me, girl.
Asia want to be in the scene.
It's a smile for me. Asia, you chilling, girl?
You want to get this stuff.
Asia is chilling, honey.
She been cheating ever since she got her hair cut.
Don't put it on my hair. Or my hair get dirty.
I think that's something in the receiver too, because it knocked out the audio. SuddenYah's pumpkin, right here. I'm using her pumpkin as decoration. It's so cute to me. I'm using it as a part of the decor. I'm just gonna leave it up here for a few days. You gonna see it out, SuddenYah? Girl.
Here's the whole bottom.
Your mama so bad.
Oh, look at this, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Wet.
That is so cool.
Pay attention, focus.
That is so cool. Hello.
Ooh.
Okay. Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, Grandma.
Well, how are you?
Good. Hi, Grandma.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hold on, let me hold it for you
Pretty little
today.
girls. Y'all some pretty little girls.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Was they so pretty? Y'all some sweet little children.
Thank you.
Pretty little girls. You got to come see Grandma, okay?
Okay.
Well, you got a nice family. Your wife, y'all got a nice family. Y'all
Thank
like
you.
your house, your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Call Grandma when you want to, okay?
Okay. See ya. Yeah.
Okay, see ya.
See ya.
Lord, girl. Good day. Lord, it's good to see you, man. Y'all look so good.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Okay, tell us, don't forget to send me that plate.
Yeah, she know.
Oh, you show me this plate right here.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you-
Go.
Ooh, you did it. Shauma finally finished carving her pumpkin. You did a nice job.
My turn.
Oh, it's looking like
My turn.
Ooh,
That's your plate.
this one?
Yes.
Some lava rice. Oh, it looks delicious.
Cinderella.
No, she's not Cinderella. Oh, look at the big face. Wait, let me see. Let me get it on camera. I'll put some white powder on his face.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Well, y'all did good this year.
From the back.
Oh, okay.
And
In the little basket right now.
the
Oh, to do the 6 feet social distancing?
mm-hmm.
Well, I still want to see her.
I'm a medieval woman. Medieval. See my costume here. There go the kids. Wow.
Look at Asia.
Oh my gosh, we're wasting time.
No, yes you can.
Y'all got so much time to
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, that's cute. All right. Oh, SuddenYah. SuddenYah.
Wait, I fell.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. That one's cute. You look so pretty. FaceTime Niecy. It's the cheeks for me. Asia.
So cute.
Hey, look at the smile. Look at Asia.
And put it in your basket, too. Take a Twizzler, SuddenYah. Oh, rock.
Okay, let's go. That's it.
Hey there, little Red Riding Hood.
Where did you come from?
How did you come? Did you follow us?
Shauma, look, you're not looking. You already went to the house.
See, why would you jump it on the floor?
Y'all had fun?
Yeah. This is the best day ever.
No. Are you cold, SuddenYah?
Keep on beating.
Who, SuddenYah?
Yeah, see,
She like a old soul in a little body.
So I'm just gonna.
This was our first time.
In a long time. Because we did it before.
Yes.
As far as with Shauma and SuddenYah.
It was Shauma and SuddenYah's first time participating
Going for
in
my candy in the
Halloween.
trash.
Mainly because of their dad and his thoughts and views or whatever. So he was recently delivered and set free from that particular thinking concerning Halloween. And
Calm down and relax yourself.
Yeah. So that was a huge breakthrough for him and for the family. So this is very monumental, huge, and the girls enjoyed themselves, and we're glad that the yoke of religious bondage has been broken concerning that. Yes. So
I don't see no candy.
there you go. For all those who was like, who would want to probably comment down below. I thought y'all was Halloween. I thought Halloween was with the devil or whatever. There you go. No questions needed now. See,
Oh, they're walking the trail.
They're walking.
It was too dark to walk the trail.
The trick or treaters are walking our trail.
Boo!
Mom, what was that? Oh, they walking the trail. Doobie. Good.
You doing, man?
You don't like the burnt part. You eat that part.
Okay, fam, I wanted to show you our decor that we had out here, but my husband and took it down. So we had this tree right here, out here, and then we had this trees, and then we had this big blow up right here, right in front of the house that blew up, and it was an inflatable. It had lights. Again, he already removed everything. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just turn this back off and put on the regular lights. I had just plugged this in so you can see it. So I'm gonna put the other lights, which are these, the regular night lights.
Over as full. That's right, you're right. No, stand up.